Welcome to Akita. As your IT support provider, you can log a support request with us via phone, email, or via our customer portal. In this video, we'll cover how to get set up on the portal. Begin by visiting our website, akita.co.uk, in your browser. Once there, please click the portal link located at the top right of the screen. The portal screen will load. Please then click Sign in with Microsoft. You will then be signed in. You may be prompted for your Microsoft password as part of the login. Once inside the portal, click Submit a Ticket. On the Create a Ticket screen, select your category as General Support and select a service as I have a problem. You can then explain the problem in more detail. If you click Details to include, you can see suggestions about how to make your ticket as in-depth as possible. This will assist our engineers to resolve your issue faster. You can then view progress on your ticket by clicking Look up a ticket on the portal homepage. Users can view the progress of their own tickets, while those assigned with a manager view can see all tickets logged by their organization. You can contact Akita's service desk for assistance with a support issue that needs fixing, a task, installation, or new user that needs adding, or to log a how-to question. If you have any issues with using the portal, please get in touch with our service desk or your account manager and we'll investigate the issue further with you. Thank you for watching and we look forward to working with you.